Hey everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new to the channel. I thought I would share with you guys a morning in my life as a single mom to an only child going to summer camps and summer classes. So a peek into our mornings. This morning I woke up a little bit before my daughter to kind of get myself some coffee, open up the windows, and start off her breakfast before I woke her up. So for breakfast, my daughter was having some strawberries and then some avocado toast with everything but the bagel seasoning. She was heading off to art camp in the morning, so I wanted to make sure she had her large thing of ice water. After I drove her to summer camp, I popped back home, did a little bit of work on my phone, and then I wanted to go ahead and make sure my house was picked up. We have been so go that I've kind of had half chores done here and there, and I just really wanted to get everything done. So it was time for me to have new sheets on my bed because I have stained my previous ones so badly from self-tanner that I needed some fresh sheets, and I'm very particular about the sheets that I put on my bed. So when Milani reached out to me to sponsor today's video, I jumped because they have over 300,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, and they did give me a discount code for you guys to use, MyMilani46, for 15% off the iconic sheet set at Amazon.com. And of course, I will have the link in the description box below. And then you will also be able to find these sheets in my Amazon store under household items. I love these because they are incredibly soft but cooling at the same time. Sometimes you can get really soft sheets that kind of make you feel hot. These do not at all. And they have really deep pockets, can fit mattresses up to 16 inches deep. And I have a king size bed with pretty a thick mattress, and this fit like a dream, and it was so easy to make my bed with these. Sometimes, they can be a little bit more difficult and challenging to put that fitted sheet on a larger mattress, but this one, not at all. So I highly recommend Milani store. They have all kinds of different products as well, so you can check out their whole entire collection on Amazon. And again, use my code MyMilani46 for 15% off the iconic sheet collection, which is what I have. They have over, I think it's like 40 different color options and patterns too. So you can definitely find sheets that fit your decor style and your needs for a very, very affordable price. We have been going to the beach almost every single day, whether it be for Sydney's summer camps or just having beach days or taking breaks in between summer classes. So we bring home so much sand every single day, tracking it in and out of the house. So I wanted to go ahead and sweep up the floors. I do this daily, multiple times a day, and shake out the entryway rug, which I'm almost thinking I should just put that away for the summer because it's kind of driving me insane how filthy it gets. But anyway, dealing with the floors, shaking out the rugs, and then going ahead and dusting off at my entryway table as well. So I had just enough time to quickly stop at the grocery store and pick up some essentials. We were out of bread and milk and fruit. You know how that goes. And so I wanted to just quickly pop over to Hannaford, and I will share with you guys a grocery haul up next.
On over to Hannaford really quickly to grab some groceries for the week while I have a moment. Bunch of snacks, string cheese for snacking. I was craving the buffalo chicken like sandwich protein. I like that in sandwiches and just to, have them with hummus. So good. I needed American cheese for sandwiches as well. Sydney was craving some hot dogs this week, so I buy her just beef hot dogs and ice cream. Every time Sydney talks about her favorite flavor of ice cream, it's always mint chocolate chip. A pizza to have in the freezer. We have our milk. Let's see, Uncrustables. I just thought that would be nice and convenient for on-the-go snacks and lunches. We have these like quick breaks. They're so expensive. I like to make my own, but also very convenient. So this one's just the cranberries, cashews, and cheese one. I wanted some gorgonzola for some salads that I'm going to be making for dinner. Cottage cheese. I did get some cream cheese and bagels this week for breakfast. Whatever we don't use for bagels, I always pop them in the freezer so that, especially in the summertime, they don't go bad so quickly. I needed water, and I ended up getting a tub of Greek yogurt this week, vanilla Greek yogurt, instead of like small containers and pouches. It would be just so much easier. What is this? Raspberry vinaigrette for our spinach salads. Strawberries, grapes were on sale this week, so I went ahead and got green grapes. Some fresh spinach for our salads. We needed bread, so I got oat nut this week. Sometimes I switch it up. And these for snacks, these are the Bobo chocolate chip oat bites. Those are delicious. Some of these what are they? Yeah, baked green pea snacks. Sydney loves those so much. I needed sunflower kernels for a salad. Also just got some freeze-dried fruit crisps. This is like similar to the, they usually have like the Mickey Mouse brand. Anyway, same deal. We have apples, pears, and then strawberries and bananas. Something different for snacks. Man, you guys, we need all the snacks with Sydney home this summer. A couple of avocado. In here is just a rotisserie chicken, and then I wanted some seltzer, so we went ahead and got some lime seltzer, and that is what we picked up for groceries for the week. Sydney up from camp, and I just made her a smoothie bowl, which I did film. I'm making it a YouTube short and Instagram reel. It is banana, coconut. How is it? Good. So good. She is eating the whole thing. Anyway, yeah, so I made her that as a nice little treat. And
it's gonna give me a brain freeze.
It's gonna give you a brain freeze. Yum. Perfect summer
really
snack breakfast treat.
So after Sydney went ahead and changed her clothes, I gave her that smoothie bowl for a snack / second breakfast, and it was delicious. So definitely go ahead and check out my YouTube short of that, or Instagram reel if you follow over on Instagram as well. And then I was watching her play outside through my kitchen window while I had to tackle these dishes. I had to empty the dishwasher of clean dishes and then go ahead and put away my dirty dishes. Been filming lots of food reels as well, so that is what we were doing. And then packing some snacks to head on over to her sailing, which is another one of her summer camps that she's been doing. I overextended myself as far as chauffeuring goes, but it's actually making the time go by so fast, and we are enjoying all of it.
Right, we are now doing a sailing.
We do sailing. Can we swim?
If they're gonna allow it. Remember last time all the boats were coming in?
So Sydney's second summer class of the day was sailing, and that is where I am going to go ahead and leave you. This brings us into, I believe, noon. I hope you guys enjoyed this peek into a very busy, as a mom, busy little summer morning, but it fills my heart. That makes me so happy that Sydney is enjoying her summer experience. But I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to go ahead and check out Milani sheets. They are very affordable, so comfortable and cooling, and I will have the link in the description box below. I will talk to you guys in the next one.